Do you need to create lifelike interior decors in your project, but you don't want to model them? Just make a photo of the walls or surface, and you can insert the photo onto the surface in your project. If you have an existing wall decor that you want to add to your project, it has never been easier to do so. Import the picture of the decor and add it to the correct wall. Modify the corner points to fit the wall perfectly. It is not a problem if the area is not defined perfectly, or you change your mind about how it should look. In this case, I wanted to make sure that the wall edges are aligned, so I adjust the perimeter of the picture again to make sure everything looks perfect. Set the new corner points in the picture and align the wall edges with the actual walls to get the best result. Start the rendering and impress your clients with world-class pictures of the spaces you designed for them. As you can see, there is no need to add the picture as 3D object one by one. This method gives perfect result as well.